Have you seen any of them mandalas that show up on the sand in Pismo Beach? Avery Kintner creates these beautiful works of sand art during days with very low tides. Watching him work to make these cool designs always fascinates me. I'm amazed every time I see his fabulous work. It is a fun surprise to find on the beach. There are often paths he creates through portions of his pieces that people get to walk through with playful delight. You can't help but enjoy yourself when surrounded by these sandy drawings. He really has added a new type of life to Pismo. Locals and tourists love to see what he makes. I know I do. He uses a mix of mostly basic tools, depending on what he is trying to achieve. The geometry looks spot on. I have no idea how he makes the circles so good. They're fantastic. If you ever see him scratching the sand with his tools, say a quick hello. He is one of the kindest people you will meet. Just don't stop him for too long while he's working. The incoming tide stops for no one, and he has a project to finish.